Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to connect a bank account on Freshbooks. This integration is incredibly useful as it allows Freshbooks to automatically import and categorize your bank transactions, saving you hours of manual data entry and making expense tracking much more efficient. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to go to the Freshbooks website and log in to your Freshbooks account. Make sure you have your login credentials ready as you'll need to access your dashboard to begin the setup. Once you're logged in and viewing your Freshbooks dashboard, take a moment to look at the left navigation menu. This is where you'll find most of the key features and settings for managing your account. Locate the option labeled Bank Connections in that left side menu and click on it. This section is specifically designed to help you link your financial institutions directly to Freshbooks, enabling seamless transaction syncing. After clicking on Bank Connections, you'll be taken to a page that displays all the available banks you can connect with your Freshbooks account. Freshbooks supports a wide range of financial institutions, so chances are you'll see yours listed. However, if you scroll through and can't find the specific bank you're looking for, don't worry. At the bottom of the page, you'll notice a link that says Find Your Bank. Click on that link to access a more comprehensive search feature. Before you proceed, you might encounter a CAPTCHA verification. This is a standard security measure to confirm that you're a human and not a bot. Simply answer the CAPTCHA or check the box to verify yourself. Once that's done, you'll see a search bar appear. Type in the name of the bank you're looking for and it should appear in the results. Click on your bank from the list to continue. Next, a credentials window will pop up on your screen. This is where Freshbooks securely connects to your bank to authorize the data sync. You'll be asked to enter your card's full digits and a password. These are the credentials you use to access your online banking, so make sure you have them handy. Enter the required information carefully into the fields provided. It's important to double-check that everything is correct before moving forward, as incorrect credentials will prevent the connection from being established. Once you've filled in all the necessary fields, click on the Submit button. Freshbooks will now work in the background to verify your credentials and establish a secure connection with your bank. This process usually takes just a few moments, so be patient while the system processes your information. Once the verification is complete, your bank will be automatically connected to your Freshbooks account, and you'll start seeing your transactions imported and ready for categorization. This setup streamlines your bookkeeping and ensures your financial records are always up to date. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.